This video is on specialized systems. There are several specialized systems you need to know for the Security Plus 601 exam. Medical systems, vehicles, aircraft, and smart meters. Specialized systems are systems that will be used for a very long time when compared to other devices like a phone or a computer. Simply put, they're long-term investment. Medical systems include things like heart monitors, while vehicles we got navigation or auto park system, and for aircraft we got air traffic control or flight control systems. And smart meter is an electronic device that records data like electric energy consumption. Issues with specialized system is asking the vendors to commit to long-term support for components and long-term supply chain support, which has a corresponding cost. Because of the expense of supporting these devices, many organizations will drop manufacturer support and use a third-party company to provide tech support and device management to save cost. What this does is ultimately remove the incentive for manufacturers to provide additional support for old systems. Specialized systems are long-term investment and they need specialized skills to manage them. Removing incentive for manufacturers to provide additional support for old systems have become an issue because companies are now more focused on creating new products instead of patching up and maintaining old systems that buyers have spent a great deal of money on. Also, vendors don't always have the flexibility to upgrade their underlying platforms because of the way they license components. Since third-party components are usually licensed for a pre-built function, the license may only allow for devices used with a certain version of an operating system or kernel. This creates numerous vulnerabilities. Older kernel versions have a lot of security issues, and patching old kernel takes significant work. Ultimately, this means that there needs to be dedication by manufacturers to use platforms for a longer time and a commitment to keeping the build chains current to be able to consistently deliver patches and updates to customers. Specialized systems are really not a technical problem as much as it is a business and a supply chain. When you purchase a specialized system, one needs to communicate and set expectations with specialized system vendors to ensure there are software supports and patches for an expected time off period, and so on, which means contract is important. Company has to be upfront about how long they intend to use the systems and for what purposes, and what expectations are for security service levels and updates. Also, business should reduce the variety of devices and standardize on few vendors as possible for specialized systems so that they can leverage their limited resources and keep these devices in good repair and maintenance. It also reduces the network attack surface.